Today we're going to start our unit on volume, and volume is way easier than surface area. Surface area has lots of pieces you have to find within the formula to even use the formula, where volume, all you really need is like a radius and a height and stuff like that. It's super, super easy. So what is the difference between volume and surface area? And I'm going to explain on this cylinder. So do y'all see this cylinder of Lysol wipes, or Clorox wipes, right? Surface area is like the outside of it, painting it, wrapping it as a Christmas present. Volume is all of it. Insides, all of it. So like how many Clorox wipes could I fit in this container? That's volume. Surface area is surface, the outsides of it. Make sense? All right. So the formula on your star chart, if y'all would go to your star chart to volume. Everybody find it where it says volume? Today we're going to do sphere. It's the last shape under volume. A sphere is a ball, like a tennis ball, soccer ball, basketball. That's what a sphere is. All you need is a radius. That is it. The formula does everything else. The formula is 4/3, which you're going to use your fraction button in your calculator, times pi, you'll use your pi button, times the radius, are y'all looking? To the third power, not to the second power. That's the biggest mistake people make, is they accidentally hit to the second power. So let's write our formula down right here. Again, our formula comes from our star chart. It is 4/3 times pi times the radius to the third power. So again, the only piece you need today is the radius, the r. And then do y'all remember what a radius is? Halfway through a circle is a radius. All the way through is a diameter. I don't have everybody's attention. I would really appreciate it. So real quick, up here, everybody's eyes up here. If they give you a diameter, what do you have to do? Divide it by 2 to get the radius. Then you can plug it into this formula. All right, so let's do example 1. This is a sphere. They show it by putting this little dotted oval just to, that's how you draw it on a flat 2-dimensional paper. Did they give you a radius? Yes, so I'm going to do 4/3 times pi times the radius, which is 6, to the third power. Again, it's 4/3 times pi times radius to the third power. So let's go put it in our calculator together. All right, so you're going to use alpha y equals 4 on top, 3 on bottom. Tab out before you hit times pi. Can you all see okay? Let me zoom in. So 4/3 times pi times the radius, which is 6. Now, do y'all know how to put into the third power? You're going to put in the caret. There's not a shortcut button for it. So you're going to have to push the caret button. It's going to push you up to the exponent, and then you put a 3. Everybody got it? Enter, and that's it. There's your answer round to the hundredths place. So 904.78 meters. Now, guys, this is not surface area. This is volume. Volume is not written meters squared. It's written meters cubed. It's just the correct way to write it. It does not change your answer. It doesn't mean cube your answer. It's just how it's written. Any questions so far? All right, let's go to example 2. Did they give us a radius or a diameter? So what am I going to do to this number? So 18 divided by 2 is, so my radius is 9. So I'm going to do 4/3 times pi times 9 to the third power. Again, make sure the 4 goes on top, the 3 on bottom. Make sure you tab out before you hit times pi. Times 9 to the 3rd power, and that's your answer. 3,053. Point, would it be 62 or 63? 63 meters what? Cubed. Now, look at the next problem. It says a basketball. It didn't say a sphere. So you're going to have to realize a basketball is a sphere. Has a diameter of 14. Do I need diameter?
No.
If they give me diameter, I have to divide by 2. So my radius is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So I'm going to do 4/3 times pi times 7 cubed. The answer is 1,436.76. Now what do I put? What right here? No, if I put cubed, I'm changing my answer. I have to put feet or inches or something. Inches, because it says inches, then cubed. If I was to put cubed over here, you're changing your answer. You're saying that number needs to be cubed. This is just the correct way of labeling. Okay? All right, is there anything on the back? No. Okay. Your assignment will be in the Google Classroom. I will get it posted, and then I will check your work.